Hi, my name is Vlad. In the next few minutes, you'll go through a journey that will help you increase your power of concentration. You probably heard a lot on this topic, from the martial arts movies and practices to different concentration techniques and people who can get things done in a short amount of time. Concentration plays a very important role in all of this. Set aside any thoughts or preconceptions you might have about the amount of time it takes for you to be focused on one thing for a period of time. Now, the mind learns naturally while listening to a story. In combination with NLP techniques, the journey you are about to embark on will help you develop and continually upgrade your power of concentration. The sounds are carefully chosen so that you can enjoy a vibrant, dynamic, and detailed journey through sound. These minutes are just for you, far away from anything that might distract your attention. The city can sometimes be a very busy and stressful place. People rushing to their next destination just to complete their work for today, just to start all over again tomorrow. The busy life, with many tasks, time seems to pass quicker and quicker. Sometimes there seems to be a lot of pressure. Many thoughts rushing through the mind. Sometimes it feels endless. Adele works in a multinational company. She works a lot and sometimes forgets to eat or drink. And on many occasions, she works many extra hours. After one of those busy days, Adele arrives home and sits on her bed, stretching her arms and legs. She takes a few deep breaths and exhales all the air while closing her eyes. After a few moments, she looks towards the library, just observing the book covers. She notices a little piece of paper that was sticking out between the books. She becomes curious and gets up to see what it is. After she starts to pull a little, she notices that it is actually a bigger piece of paper. It's a map. She gently takes it out and removes the dust off of it. Almost immediately, she begins to smile. It is a map of her mountain trails that she used to walk on during the summer. Adele colored the trails that were the most interesting and beautiful with different colors, but one of them catches her attention. What is that road? Oh yes, that one she never got a chance to explore because it started to rain. Wait, what a good idea! Why not finish it now in this weekend? Yes, this is it. This is the plan for this weekend. Adele counted the days and even the hours that seemed to pass slower than usual. But now the weekend has arrived. She packed some things into a backpack, got into the car, and off she went towards the mountains. While she was driving, she started thinking, where will that mountain road take her? She will soon find out. After she got out of the car, she was greeted by the song of the birds and sound of the wind that was passing through the leaves. She took the map out and step by step, she started to follow the original road. With every step she took, she started to remember the surroundings. the refreshing scent of the forest, the birds flying from one tree to another and from one branch to another, the sunlight that shines through the trees, lighting up small patches of green moss. Adele is simply absorbed by the surroundings. While she was looking around, she spots something that looks like a person standing near a tree. She looks more closer and sees a man that was in his 50s, dressed with some simple clothes. He's looking at her with a gentle smile. Initially, she is surprised to see another person so deep into the forest, but then she becomes curious. He smiles at her, nods his head as if agreeing with something, turns around and with small steps starts to walk on a pathway through the forest. Adele looks to the left, looks to the right. She doesn't see anybody else. She starts to think for a few moments. Should she go after him? What can happen? She starts to walk on the same pathway after him.